Hope all my homies are doing fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is focused on the handlebar risers by MK Design. I think they are around 1 inch. First, let's get into it. So the riser kit comes with the MK Design keychain, 2 bolts as you can see, and a sticker saying built not bought. That's their punchline. We'll talk about these 1 inch increased bolt size later on. First we'll get into the risers. These risers were actually designed for Harley Davidson, and I'm happy that I'm using it for Interceptor because they are heavy duty. They're made out of MS, they're well powder coated, they are a bit heavy compared to aluminum risers. So I'm happy with this because I have a little bit of aggressive stance on my motorcycle. Please don't lose these washers, they are very important for the riser setup. They are actually stock. Removing the bolts is easy, but make sure you put a cloth around your tank. Now let's compare quickly these 2 bolts provided by MK Design. They are 1 inch taller, but as you can see, the quality looks the same, so they're decent enough. So fitting this is really easy, and to put the top bracket, make sure your risers are in place over the washer, very important. Also make sure that you have not tightened it completely because you want to see how the handlebar fits and how much do you want it tilted towards your side. So I've not done the final fitting yet because first I want to test how posture is. I'm 5 feet 8.5 inches tall, and I can very comfortably sit without any hassle. This is why there is no audio, because of this loud noise. So it's quite an easy DIY process. You can do it with your friends or yourself. I was hanging out at the garage. Do note, these handlebars provided by MK Design are the original ones. I have not chopped them yet. Yes, this is a previous video. I have already done a video where I have chopped these handlebars to 2 inches from both sides. So do not get confused, and I will definitely put the clip in this video. So the distance between the handlebar and the Triple T is decent. You can even put your mobile mount very easily. I really like that. The look is not bad. It's looking fine. You don't need to change any cables because stock handlebars are taller than this. That's why you can play around in 1 inch. So I am overall satisfied with these risers, and I think I should show you the new clip. Coffee tastes good. So I'm sure you guys have a lot of questions. I get a lot of DM on my Instagram about plenty questions about risers or headlights or handlebar or exhaust. Please comment down below. I'll try my best to answer, or you can even DM me and I'll try to answer that. So these handlebar risers are actually made for Harley Davidson, and that's why they are heavy duty. And MK Design has provided me this for Interceptor. It works for both. Basically it's 1 inch riser. It's made out of MS. It's very well powder coated. It's quite strong. I can sense it. If you carry it, you'll realize it's quite heavy and decent enough. And as you know, the second most reason I got the risers is because I wanted to shorten the handlebar. Now if I shorten the handlebar, the switches actually touch the tank. If I try to put something taller than 1 inch, then I would be in a situation to change the cables, which I don't want to do on this motorcycle. Now choosing a riser is completely a personal choice. Some people like the pivot risers, some like the tall risers which I have put. Pivot risers are much better because actually the handlebars come to you. However, I don't like the look of the pivot riser because it looks like big clamps on my handlebar, and that's why I wanted to keep it very streamlined, and I wanted something just 1 inch so that it will be helpful for my next handlebar setup if I'm planning to tour. That when I put the original handlebars, this will be very useful. By doing a DIY and shortening these handlebars and adding these risers, this is a complete set for me. I think I have found my exact spot. Every biker wants his bike in a particular way. May it be performance, may it be the stance, may it be the way he wants to ride it. So this actually fits my bill. That's what I'm trying to portray in this video. And in future, if I want to do long rides, I do not have to worry because I already have the 1 inch riser set up. So I just have to put the original handlebars, put the grips back, and off I go. And if you want to buy these products, the link will be definitely in the description. Do not forget to subscribe and share. And as usual friends, eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off, Raj from RADMOTO.